Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving deep into skincare with the ultimate face cleaning machine, the Dogface Deluxe Kit. If you're searching for the holy grail of skincare tools, look no further. The Dogface Deluxe Kit is not just a facial brush, it's a complete skincare regimen tailored specifically for men. Let's break down what makes this kit the best in the game. First up, we have the Dogface Techno Brush. This isn't your average facial brush. With patented photomotion technology and red light therapy, it's engineered to cleanse, exfoliate, and enhance overall skin wellness. Plus, it's waterproof and wireless for ultimate convenience. But wait, there's more. The kit includes the Wake Up Gel, a 5-in-1 face gel that cleanses, exfoliates, stimulates, hydrates, and tones your skin. It's not just a cleanser, it's a game changer in your morning routine. Moving on to the Day Boom Moisturizing Cream. Formulated with powerhouse ingredients like hyaluronic acid and jojoba extracts, it provides instant hydration and leaves your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, no matter your skin type. And let's not forget about the Night Boost Serum. Say goodbye to fine lines and wrinkles with its science-based retinol formulation. Paired with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, it works its magic while you sleep, leaving you with smoother, younger-looking skin come morning. With the Dogface Deluxe Kit, you're not just investing in skincare, you're investing in confidence. Whether you're tackling dryness, combating signs of aging, or simply striving for clearer skin, this kit has got you covered. So there you have it, folks. The Dogface Deluxe Kit, the best face cleaning machine on the market. Don't settle for ordinary skincare routines when you can elevate your game with this revolutionary kit. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, stay glowing.